BusyKid Stock Market for Children app pricing explained what you get for your money. BusyKid is an app that introduces children and teens to saving, spending and investing in the stock market. Many parents assume stock market apps are only for adults, but BusyKid makes investing accessible and educational for kids. The app charges a $99 monthly subscription per child, with a free trial available for the first month. This covers full access to features including chore tracking, allowance management, and the ability to buy fractional shares of real stocks. Parents fund the account and approve transactions, teaching children how to manage real money responsibly. Most people get this wrong by thinking kids can't handle real investments. BusyKid's system provides hands-on learning in a controlled environment. For example, a child could invest in a stock like Apple and track its performance, learning about market ups and downs while gaining confidence in financial decision-making. The surprising truth is that BusyKid doesn't just teach investing, it instills responsibility, goal setting, and basic financial literacy. Kids learn to budget, save for goals, and understand the value of delayed gratification, all while engaging with the stock market. In conclusion, BusyKid pricing is reasonable for the value it provides. For less than a month, children gain a comprehensive introduction to finance and investing, making it a practical and educational tool that sets them up for long-term financial success.